So good morning guys, I'm here at MANGOMOTO. Nice place, comfortable place amidst the mango farm. So Moto is organizing this event for us bikers to taste the track here. Really love the place with the mango trees. So Race has come out with some off-roading gear. Well designed, intelligently designed riding gear, and some new helmets from Asobis. So guys, we are doing a time attack. My first time. Good luck, God bless. Uge Madeshwara. This is MANGOMOTO. Basanti.
I don't know him personally.
Hey baby. Hi guys, welcome to my vlogs. Yamantaka 17. Today I'm under a mango tree at MANGOMOTO. This is the new facility in Bangalore. Really nice. I like the ambience over here. So everywhere there is mango tree, and in between the track flows, and quite a nice facility. I'll take you around the track in a bit. So guys, this is the hangar. That's the garage, and there are some restrooms there. And I really love the ambience of this place. A cool place for all your biker buddies to come hang out, do some off-roading.
Moto mango.
So at MANGOMOTO we have a 1.2 kilometer MX track. It's quite a technical track. The more you do, the more laps you do, the more fun it gets because of your understanding about it. And there's also an enduro track where there are 9 obstacles, and pretty nice place where you can upskill your off-roading techniques, where you can figure out your bike and yourself, and there are some good instructors here who will guide you to get better. So the details and the contact, everything will be in the description. Do check out guys. So let me quickly take you around the track. So we are now with the founder of MANGOMOTO, Mr. Shazan. So let's hear the story from the man himself.
Hi guys, I'm Shazan Khan. I'm the founder of MANGOMOTO. So before letting you know about MANGOMOTO, I want to let you know about myself. I'm into motorsports since 2015, but started racing from 2019. So my racing career is not that exciting or great, but I was fortunate enough to stand on the national podium couple of times, for which I'm really grateful. During those racing days, I was riding for Royal Enfield GT Cup, where I had a severe rash, which I had to be on bed for almost 8 months. It's affected my mental health and also my career. So, and during those reflective times, I was finding myself drifting away from motorsports. I was so desperate to get back into motorsports. So somehow during those hard days, I found myself here at this place. At that time, it was just a mango farm. It was just a mango farm. I had visited with my dad. It was a harvesting season. So at the time, I just took a bike and hit the farm. It was dusty and muddy. So at that time, I got this.
Brilliant idea.
Yes. I could leave a track there.
Yeah.
So at first, I didn't take that seriously. I spoke to a couple of my friends. Where those people pushed me, my so-called good friends, Muzammil and Rushabh. At that particular time, we realized that it is not just a fun idea or crazy idea, it is an opportunity. So we took this opportunity, created a platform for all the off-roading enthusiasts, so that they can come here, visit our place, test their potentials, and also know the limits of the bike. So yeah, this is the story of MANGOMOTO.
But I really had like tons of fun on your track. I love the ambience of your place, being between the mango trees, mango orchard, and thanks to all that effort you put into that idea. Today I had like solid fun here, and I will keep coming back to MANGOMOTO.
Yeah, please do come. We have preserved nature here. So, yeah, we have maintained this mango orchards and we created a layout. It is definitely a fun layout. I want all of you guys to uh, visit more often and have fun.
So thank you. So I'm going to take you around the track, MANGOMOTO track. So I came to know about this track from Triple Rush vlog. I was very eager to come here because it is very close by to me, I can come here in 20 minutes. So I was very curious about how this track is. A really nice place. So it has recently started. It is kind of technical at some points. There are some blind spots. So this is the only tabletop right now. So every now and then there will be a lot of changes done to the track, to give the rider that variety, that exposure, that variable to improve. So these are the bunds. You can go around. I don't know what it's called. Bunds, I guess. You can bank the corners basically if you are confident enough. This is one section I love. Right? So this is a section, I guess, where they do the, what is it? This drill going in and out, right? Let's do that soon. Right? Do that. Nice place to train for the youngsters who are starting off, for women also. You can connect with your bike and also with nature here, right? So I really love the ambience here, like I guess the Enduro park is that side. Let's take a small detour, guys. So this is the Enduro park. Here you can test out. This is a slush pit, but all that has dried up. You should put in some water, gravel. This is the tires. I'm not gonna do that because nobody is around if I meet with a mishap. So safety always comes first, guys. So I guess the property is, fenced from here. So you can very easily here level up on your enduro skills going through these walks. Right? So ready to these. I guess I don't know what's there. That's the end of property, I think. So this is the mango orchard property. So yes, that's it for the property. But a really nice, cute track. There will be a lot of improvements soon. So love the place, man. Right. there will be going to be camping, right? Barbecue we can do. Nice place, man. Basically, kind of close. Just like 10 minutes from Hoskote, I guess. Right? So that's the pit. Hope there's no slush. We'll just take it through. Let's take to the pit. Kind of a sand pit. Right. Some drums. Nah, I've done this too many times. Just you know, guys, I can do it. No. So just that my bash plate might touch, it will pinch my heart. So this is the track, today's track, right? I will set it up for us. Very fun day you can have. You can bring your bikes which are off-road capable. This is a long straight, so they have added obstacles. So this is the pit entry, right? So this is the MANGOMOTO. They have put all this for our rider safety. So if we crash, we go crash on this. Like the place, man. Like nice place to hang out. There's going to be a cafeteria soon, guys. So they're doing this all to support us bikers, and we should also support them by coming here regularly. So this is the place where we eat. That's our trainer bike. I had a really amazing time here today, MANGOMOTO. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. We'll catch up in another video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That is a pond that is coming up. A really nice place to connect back to nature. Forget the city problem, city life, the boss, the manager. Just come here, have fun. So there we go. MANGOMOTO. I'll be back here soon. So this was my first time at MANGOMOTO. Really loved it. Thanks to Race Moto for organizing a fun day here for us off-roaders at the track. See you in another vlog, guys. Time to go home.